Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lightning speed traffic review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new traffic source that only launched yesterday. And lightning speed traffic is a training course where you can get unlimited daily traffic to your offers, including buyers. The great thing about it is the training course is a one-time payment. There's no monthly membership costs. So I'll just come to the cost of that shortly. And as an affiliate, you can earn multiple affiliate commissions by just promoting one link. So you get auto approved as an affiliate when you become a member of Lightning Speed Traffic, and the opportunity is there to promote the offer and get the course for free. This is perfect for beginners without an audience, so especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you haven't got a social media following, you haven't got an email list, then this traffic source is great for you. I'm going to give you my bonus at the end of this video to help you get lightning speed traffic for free. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. The link in the description will take you to this page here, and what you'll see on the home page is a few bullet points in. It's saying why should you choose lightning speed traffic. So just gives you a few bullet points here. The great thing about it is it says here previous knowledge of affiliate marketing may help, but it's not essential. And you're going to have access to a comprehensive list of traffic sites that's going to continuously generate leads and referrals. And there's a lot more information on that page, including some great bonuses that they're giving you for free as well. It's included in the price. So when you become a member, this is what you're going to find. This is inside the members area. So I just joined today, and I really like the course. I've learned something new today from this course. So it's always a good idea to invest a percentage of your profits, if you've got any, into these sort of courses, because you can always learn something new from the experienced affiliate marketers, like the product owner of this one, Darren. And what he's doing is, first of all, he goes here, first things first, build a strong foundation. So what he's doing, he does a lead capture page and autoresponder training. Now, there is a free option with this where you can use get a lead capture page creator and a list builder where you don't pay any monthly membership subscriptions, and then you can start to build a list with that list builder. He uses Leads Leap as one of them. He does use two, but he uses Leads Leap. So you can use Leads Leap and still broadcast out for free if you don't, if it's not within your budget to upgrade. And then when you come down here, this is where you access the landing page and autoresponder follow-up training, and then you click here if you want to go straight to your free traffic. So he calls it Landing Page Spark, and this is an 8-page PDF. I'm not going to reveal everything in this training course because some of it's for paid members, and the share codes in here with valuable information that only members are allowed to see. But what he's saying is you will get leads and you'll get commissions if you follow the plan. And it's set out step by step. And this is a step-by-step course. Simply get straight to the point and you can have this up and running within minutes. So it's a very detailed PDF, and there's also links on there to video training as well. So that's what I like about it. It's got some good detailed training on how to become successful with lead capture pages and follow-ups. And there's even a follow-up series done for you with another product that he owns for you to earn additional affiliate commissions. Let's take a look now at the free traffic sources. So this is the free traffic page here. And what you do is you click on that link there, and I'll just come to that shortly. It's got 3 other top traffic sites here, which he says provide sign-ups daily from fresh leads. So there's 3 different sites there where you can claim free ads as well. And he's using Vyral and SafeList Mailer. Now, if you've been on my channel for some time, you'll know I'm a huge advocate, and I use SafeList mailers every single day to generate leads and commissions. And he's given here his top 20. Each of these are clickable links where you can join for free. And he also gives you access to tens of thousands of free credits to over 70 mailers. So you get free credits to use these traffic sites for free. Now, he not only gives you free credits to use them free for now, he gives you free credits to these promo codes here. Every single month you'll be given free credits. So if you don't want to upgrade within these SafeList and Vyral mailers, then you can just use the free credits that you get every single month from a site called Promo Codes for You. So that's what I like about the system. You don't have to upgrade if you don't wish to do so. But when you earn some commissions, he does recommend that you upgrade. Then you can start to automate the system. And some of these in here I'm a member of, like Mailer Gold is a one-time payment upgrade. Hercules is a one-time payment. So some of these, if you do upgrade, they're not monthly membership costs that you're incurring. They're just one-time payments. So this is what I learned today from Darren, the product owner. This is where you can increase your traffic. You can X20 your traffic with a product called Owl Inbox. So he does a superb training here where he says stop wasting your time with slow clicks and start earning credits 20 times faster with Owl Inbox. Now, I've never heard of this product, but it really is a great asset, especially if you're on a tight budget and you don't want to be able to upgrade in. Then you can get a free trial, and I recommend you watch this video here called Owl Inbox, and it gives you a tutorial on how to use this tool. Now, you can also become an affiliate and earn generous 45% commissions in recurring income if any of your referrals upgrade. So a great tool. I've never seen this tool before. It's a great way to earn credits 20 times faster. And if you do earn credits 20 times faster, you're going to get more traffic to your offers with this tool. So let's have a look now at the affiliate program. You'll see there I've got my affiliate link in the top left hand corner, and the affiliate program has got 6 products within the system. They're all one-time payments, none of them are recurring, but you can see still here there's 6 products, and he's paying 50% commission down this right-hand column here on all of the products. And there's one here where you can earn $18.50. And sometimes what can happen when you promote affiliate links, some of your referrals might buy multiple products here, so you can earn multiple sales by promoting one link. So the opportunity is there for you to be able to get your money back for lightning speed traffic. Lightning speed traffic itself is currently a cost of $8.20. So that's a one-time payment. It says here this price is discounted in the pre-launch. So it looks like if I go back over here to the affiliate program, it looks here like it's going to go up to 11. It's got $11 here. So no, that's $8.20. It's still $8.20. It's a pre-launch price. I'm not quite sure what price it's going to go up to, but still, I think a very fair price to give you a training course on how to be able to get free traffic, get ongoing free traffic, and also earn affiliate commissions from the training area within that PDF as well. So let's have a look at my bonus here. This is my bonus where I want to give you some more free credits where you can get lightning speed traffic for free. So the link in the description will take you to this page. Now what you do is you click on here, this button here, to join lightning speed traffic. And then once you've done that, you come back to this page and you click here to join Proactive Mailer. And then what I will do, I will email you 80,000 credits so you can use Proactive Mailer every single day for 30 days, and you can promote lightning speed traffic as an affiliate and then potentially get lightning speed traffic for free. And all you do is, that's my email address there, just send me an email with your username and I'll transfer those into your account for you. Now the beauty of Proactive Mailer, which is not on the safe list of safe list mailers that Darren recommends, the beauty of Proactive Mailer is that it's a safe list mailer where the owner, Phil, cleans out the email list on a consistent basis, and your offer, he guarantees you clicks. So he only promotes your offer to members that are proactive and clicking and opening emails and clicking on clicks within the emails, links, sorry, not clicks. So it's a Proactive Mailer site and I really like it. It's one of my favorite safe list mailers. I'll give you 80,000 credits. You can just sign up here in the left-hand menu here. Watch that short video there. But the great thing about it is you're going to get clicks on the emails that you send out to this safe list mailer. So just a little extra bonus there. If you're going to be using safe list mailers with lightning speed traffic, there's an additional free one there and 30 days use from myself. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all the uploads here on my channel. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description. If you'd like to contact me, then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.